Okay, everybody, we are going to learn how to use a serger today. This is the serger that we're going to be using in class. We have two of them. One has white thread and one has black thread. Be sure to choose the thread that matches your fabric best. Leah is going to demonstrate for us how we're going to use this fabric to create our seam finishes. First, notice that the presser foot goes up and down just like our machine does. Perfect. You want to make sure that your presser foot is down at any time that you are using the serger. That's going to be very important, or your stitches will come out not the way that you want them to turn out. They will be much too loopy. I also want to point out that all of the tension knobs at the very top, the color-coded knobs, are all set at 4. 4 is going to be our main thread tension setting that we're going to use when we use these sergers. So Leah's going to go ahead and just give us a little demonstration. She's going to lift up her presser foot and she's going to place the fabric where she needs it to be. When she goes ahead and pushes the foot pedal, she's going to guide the fabric through very carefully. Notice she has it lined up on the right hand side with the edge of her presser foot. The reason being is if Leah holds up for me, go ahead and stop that, Leah. Notice on the right hand side there's extra fabric that she's cut off. When you go past the needle plate on the right hand side there, the edge of your presser foot, there are actual scissors down there. The scissors are going to actually cut the fabric. Whatever goes to the right hand side of that presser foot is going to be cut off. So you have to be very careful when you're guiding it through that you are able to guide your fabric the right way so that you don't actually cut off too much of your seam allowance, or that you actually don't catch some of your project that you want to keep in, of course, good condition into the cuts. So that's how it goes. So as Leah completes her stitch, she's going to hit her presser foot a little bit longer and pull out, not really pull out, but her fabric is going to be guided through a little more. She's going to stop, and then you take your scissors and you're going to go ahead and cut your threads, leaving a tail for the next person to come by and use their serger. And that is how you use this serger.